what's going on? This is a $1 million bash here once again. Today is a new day, and today I'm gonna show you a very simple way on how to make some serious money online using affiliate marketing techniques. Alright, I've been doing affiliate marketing for a couple of years now, and I've figured out what does work and what doesn't work. And right here in this video, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite free traffic sources that you can use to generate sales. Alright, do I have other favorite traffic sources out there like Quora, Twitter, and this is a new one that I found is working out for me, and I decided to do the video to show you how to use this free traffic source so you can also generate some sales with affiliate marketing, right? And if you, when I say affiliate marketing, I don't want to talk much about it here, but it's simply grabbing other people's products or services, having them make more sales in return for a percentage of commissions, alright? I have other videos that I talk more about affiliate marketing, so you can go ahead and browse through my channel videos and select any one that I talk about affiliate marketing a lot, right? So if you're looking to make money online very seriously here, I recommend you use affiliate marketing. Do it a lot. Millions ways to make money online, right? There are millions ways to make money online, but what I use here is affiliate marketing, and I have different companies that I work for to make money online, but I use affiliate marketing a lot, and I will only show you what's working out for me. And right here in this video is one of my favorite new free traffic that I use to make sales, and I'm sharing with you here. So if you're new to this channel, I urge you go please and subscribe to this channel, because I'm doing videos every day showing different strategies to make money online, and I only share with you what's working out for me, what I've tried working out for me, so you can benefit from it as well, okay? And if I try it doesn't work, I don't bother making a video about it. I just don't show it, but there are certain things I'll show you also here. So what you're gonna do is open your, but before we get into that, please, I'll urge you to be very committed to watching this video to the end, so you miss any other important thing, because I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process to make these things work. Alright, and first you're gonna believe yourself that you can do it, okay? You're gonna first believe in yourself that you can do it. So open your browser. This works everywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, worldwide, and on a device, mobile phone, and mobile phone, tablet, PC works on anyone, but I highly recommend you use either a tablet or your computer, okay? If you don't have any mobile phone, you can try it out. It may work out for you, okay? So the first website you're gonna open here is medium.com, okay? Medium.com, can you see that? Medium.com. Go ahead and open this web browser. Open this website, medium.com. Okay, so Medium is an article or story writing page where everybody go ahead and write stories, and a lot of people go on Medium to read news articles and news stories, okay? So Medium here is generating over a millions of new traffic every single month, and I wish I can show you this analytics about Medium here, but that's gonna take my time. So do that in maybe future videos, okay? So I'll urge you to go, and if you want to follow me, guys, the first link in the description will take you to medium.com, and once you're on medium.com, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create or open a new account, and it's absolutely for free. You're not gonna pay anything to create an account on Medium. So after opening the account, I already log into my account here. So after opening or logging into your account, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here, okay? Click on your profile, and you're gonna come to stories and write a story, okay? Although I have a bunch of 24 stories now, 2 response rate drafts. Okay, so I have some stories already out here. So what we're gonna do is you open up in here, write a story on Medium, okay? So we're gonna write a story here, and we're gonna show you how to use this to make sales with affiliate marketing, okay? So follow me here, okay? Hey guys, if you think I'm going too fast, let me know in the comment below. Type in too fast if you think I'm going too fast, okay? If you think I'm going too slow, let me know in the comment below too slow, okay? So what we're gonna do as next here is open another tab called here plrpr.com. Can you see that? plrpr.com. But okay, let me go back here and let me show you everything in details right here, okay? So open plrpr.com. Can you see that? plrpr.com. plrpr here is where you can get other people, other marketers spend thousands of dollars writing articles, high converting articles, and they post here so you can get them for free and use them as their affiliate marketing bonuses or a whole lot out there, a whole lot, okay? So we got over to plrpr.com, and you're gonna copy paste any article that we want here, and it's absolutely for free. Okay, we're not spending any money doing this. Okay, it's absolutely for free, so you don't worry about any investment here. It's seriously for free. So what we're gonna do is once we are in the money, we're gonna utilize the make money online niche. That's affiliate marketing. Okay, we're gonna make money here. So what we're gonna do is once on plp.com, head over to this section here. So you're gonna head over to the section here, affiliate marketing. Okay, click here, affiliate marketing. Can you see that? And it's gonna open free articles regarding to affiliate marketing score here. Okay, as you can see here, affiliate marketing measures Google AdSense equal profits. Here, age or question: do you need have your own web products? At the age or question, do you need a website? Okay, a whole lot of free articles right here. So we're gonna copy any of this one, and what I recommend you do is look for articles that has high rating stars here. Okay, tool for a high rating affiliate marketer, super affiliate generating pixels, payment 3 ages for. Okay, we're gonna use this one here. It's very simple here. It says the 3 ages for newbie to start affiliate marketing, and 4 stars is good. Okay, so we're gonna click here. Okay, we're gonna click and copy this free article right here. And first we're gonna copy all this here, the title here. We're not gonna change anything. Copy it back to the Medium website here. We're gonna right click and paste that in right here. Okay, that's the heading of our story. Don't worry, it's copy paste everything here. You don't need this. You're gonna delete that. Let's get back to here. We're gonna copy everything right here. Scroll all the way down. Right click, copy, back to story. Right click here and paste that in here. Okay, can you see that? And always make sure that you delete this as a copyright. We don't need it in an article. Okay, so you can delete that. Let's go right here. Okay, then what we're gonna do here is click here and let's open another website, another tab here, and let's search for something like, type this in your web browser here, pixels.com or pixels. Okay, we're gonna grab free images that we're gonna include in our article to make it really very interesting here. Okay, so free stock photos. Click here. We're gonna download any photo that we're gonna include in our story on Medium. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is search for I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. Make money online. Okay, and search. Okay, so here we can use any of these images here on our Medium. Okay, so I want to make this video very short here, so we're gonna just copy any of this one randomly here. But if you're writing this on your own, I recommend that you choose high converting an image that you think is gonna catch readers' interest. Okay, in reading your story. Okay, so let's choose this one right here. Okay, and click this button here. Okay, download, and we're gonna download this image on our computer. Okay, as you can see, they started downloading. Very short time we're done. Now let's get back to our story here. Click this plus icon here and click this photo icon here. So we're gonna paste that image just been downloaded from Pixels here. Okay, as you can see, good. Always make sure that you use high resolution images in your articles, and if you want, you can add more images, more photos right in here in your story. Okay, so it makes very interesting in reading. Okay, and what we're gonna utilize, the next website that is gonna pay us the money here is go to www.digistore24.com. Okay, Digistore24.com. Head on to the section here. And here in the secret, I'm gonna reveal to you one of my secret ways of making some serious money online. And guys, if you think you're enjoying this video so far, I'll urge you, please go ahead and smash out the like button. Okay, so once your Digistore here, this is the Digistore homepage, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a new account on Digistore. I'm not gonna create an account. I already have a bunch of Digistore accounts, so I'm not gonna worry creating a new account. But if you're new to this channel, to this website here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a new account on Digistore, and it's absolutely for free. Okay, you're not gonna pay any money creating an account on Digistore. Or if you already have an account, you can just go ahead in here and log into your account. If you don't have an account, click here register. I'm not gonna walk you through the registration process because it's very very simple and anybody can do it. Even 2 years kid can register an account on Digistore, okay? So I just gonna log into one of my Digistore accounts that I use for video examples only, okay? And I already done that in here, okay? So as you can see, what the videos that I just show other people on my channel here, we generate about 150 clicks, okay? 150 videos on any product promoting here. So what you're gonna do on Digistore here is probably when your first time you're gonna see nothing here and everything is gonna be 0. So what you're gonna do is head into the section that says marketplace right there, okay? And then you're gonna pin the marketplace on Digistore, and what you're gonna do is head into the sections in the marketing and business. Can you see that? Of course, we're gonna promote a product that's related to make money online niche, okay? And as you can see here, we can copy and we can promote any of this product here randomly. If you're not satisfied with what you see here, you can get to this section here to view more product you can promote. So we're gonna copy, we're gonna select any random product that we're gonna promote right here. So let's okay, let's pretend we're promoting this product here, okay? And this product is spent on 20% commission. That means when you make a sale, you earn $32 here. And this product here, to mastery and monetization by mouth power. This product 50% commission. That means when you make a sale, you generate $20, okay, over $20, okay? So you can just promote any of this one that you want. But for the purpose of this video, let's select any random one that we're gonna promote, okay? So we can click here, right click, copy this affiliate link here, and we can go back to our story here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave our affiliate links right here in our stories, okay? We're gonna leave our affiliate links here. You know how to do that is, let's type something like this here. Let's type something like 1 2 okay, let's delete that. Let's make it very short. Let's type real people. I'm making mistakes here. Why? Real people are making money with THI with this money system, okay? Sorry if I'm typing too slow. The fact is I'm recording this with my mobile phone and using one hand to type the whole thing. That's why it seems a little bit slow, but don't worry, we still get it down here. So real people are making money. Let's add real money with this secret, with this money system, okay? So what we're gonna do is highlight all this one here, and we're gonna click on this right here. There's that link icon. Click here, right click, and we're gonna paste our affiliate link there, okay? This is the affiliate link that we copy from Digistore here, okay? So we're gonna leave that in here, and as you can see, this is our affiliate link here, okay? We leave our affiliate link, and what we're gonna do is let's button a little bit, let's style it. Let's give this one, okay? Let's give this one too, okay? So this is good. So what we're gonna do is select the first thing again, right click, copy, and we're gonna leave it in our story multiple times, okay? Multiple times here, it doesn't matter, okay? And we can leave it at the end of our video, but before that, let's do something here, okay? And let's leave that in here, okay? So as you can see, as people read on our story, they get to our affiliate link, and when they click here, they go ahead and buy the product. We make money with affiliate marketing, okay? And a lot of people are gonna read your stories, because I'm gonna show you one of the easiest way to get a lot of people to read your stories, okay? So what we're gonna do here is, you're done with our story writing. So what you can do is, you see this image here is high converting, so you can leave other images in your story here, okay? You can leave a lot of images here. What we're gonna do next is, here on the section it says publish, okay? Publish here, and here we're gonna add tags. Tags here, let's go. Well, this is a secret that I'm gonna review here. I don't normally show this on any video, but I don't know how I'm gonna show this on this video, but okay, let me just show you anyway. I just like you say, what we're gonna do is open another tab here, okay, and guys, will be very careful here and type make money online, okay. Type that in Google, okay, make money online, and as you can see here, we got free keywords that we can use here, okay. So what we're gonna do is just copy, right click, paste, copy here. We're not pasting it, so come back here, paste that in here, okay, yeah, and enter key, or anyway you can just do it. Oh no, okay, you can just do it very simple. Make already there, make money online, free money online, affiliate marketing, okay, marketing, affiliate marketing tips, okay. So you can have up to only 5 key tags here. Make money, okay. And this is what we're gonna do. This is how it's gonna look like. This is how our story is gonna look like, okay. So once you're done with this, just head on to this section and just click on this button here. It says publish, okay. Very simple as that. And our story is live on Medium, and anybody that get on Medium is gonna see our story. The 3 easiest way for new videos start affiliate marketing. If you're interested in making money online with affiliate marketing, it's likely that they're gonna click on our story, read, and once they got here, it says people are making money with this money system, okay. So when I click here, let's see what happens. It tells you the affiliate offer that we promote on Digistore, okay. The 3 seconds, okay. $5,000. I don't like this stuff here. But anyway, what they're gonna do is once on this website here, they get in and they buy this product here, and that we promoted on Digistore. What happens is the Digistore is gonna pay you. This product is gonna pay you $32 for free, okay. So this brings us to the end of this video. And guys, if you think I gave you massive value in this video, I urge you please go ahead and smash on the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, please smash on the subscribe button, because I'm doing videos every single day showing different ways to make money online. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you a lot more ways to make money online. And if you enjoyed the video, please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, okay. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Say goodbye.